Good ball na po.
Pinpin na dito.
Serliano, 3. Serliano. Naginit agad, grabe. 3-0. TJ, 2 shot. Pass to Donja, taking 3-10. No good, rebound by Seri. The pass is steal by Sir JD. JD to TJ. Ibiel. Side step move, no good, rebound by Sir. 2 points. JD. On his own. 2-0. Ay, 3-2. 3-2. In favor of Team C. Noel Santos, out of bounds. Good ball po. To TJ. 9 minutes exactly. Donja taking 3 again. No good. Rebound by Sean. 2 points. Sean Ortega. Change favor for 3. In favor of Team D, Jose. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Checo to Jose again. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Dos Santos taking 3. No good. Rebound by Donja. Donja. Wow, isa ka pala. Out of bounds. Dalawa na pala sila. 2. Seriliano, no good. Rebound by Ortega. 8 minutes and 5. Shoutout sa aking idol, Ivan Bagday. 8 minutes exactly. 15 seconds to shoot. Donja. Donja, power move sa ilalim. 2 points. Donja. 2 points. 6-3. 3-point lead. Seriliano block pass to Seto. Seriliano again. 2 points. Andrew Seriliano. 6-5. To Donja. To Emiel. Nirepite. Wala pa rin. Rebound by. Foul pala. Foul. 14 seconds shot lang. 14 seconds.
Walang
7 minutes and 20.
start pa lang ako.
Emiel. Tumama ng ring. Nakakuha ni Seriliano. Seriliano. Nagpamadali. Lumipad. 2 points. Andrew Seriliano. Change favor. 7-6. Exactly 7 minutes. Repite sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sir JD. Sir JD ang laki niyan. Wala pa rin. Sir JD pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ibiel. Repite. Patuama. No good. Rebound by Sir JD. Steal by Seriliano. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Sean. Score 7-6 pa rin. Repite. Drop pass to Donja. Drop pass to TJ. Drop pass to 15 seconds shoot. Wala. Steal to Seril. To Santos. 2 points. Santos. 9-6. 3-point lead by Team C. Repite na mamadali. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 0. Checo. Drop by Sean. Rebound by Jose. Drop pass to Seriliano. Drop pass to Santos. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Jose. Sa ilalim. 2 points. Jose. 11-6. 5 minutes and 30. DJ. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by Sir JD. Nawala ang bola. Good ball. Good ball po tayo. 5 minutes and 25. 11-6 in favor of Team C. Santos umupo na naman sa base. Santos. 14-6. Last possession before change. Last possession. No good pa rin. Sean. Change court na po. Pass it by Sean Ortega. Ortega, score 14-8. Running time po yan. 14-8 in favor of Team C pa rin. Shoutout sa ating bagong cameraman, ang kasama ni Leviel, si Idol Paco. Green, love you. Lima ba Sean? Sean? Sean making his move, is still out of bounds. 17 seconds to shoot, 17 seconds. 14-8 to TJ. Take three. Love you. Out of bounds. Good ball. Good ball po yan. 4-15. Santos na naman. Taking three. No good. 3 by Sir JD. Sir JD. Binababa na ang bola. JD crossover move. JD. Power move sa ilalim. JD. Wala pa rin 3 by Mel. 2 points. Mel. Derek Pite. 14-10, 4.8 by Team C. Dadagdagan kaya? Wala pa rin. 5 by Donja. Donja na mamadali. Donja. Wala pa rin. 5 by Sean. 2 points. Sean. Ortega. 14-12, 2.8 na lang by Team C. Jose. Wait. Taking 3. No good. 3 by TJ. To Sir JD. JD lapas si Donja. Ang ganda pasa. 2 points. Donja assist by JD. All 14. Deadlock. No good. 3 by. Out of bounds. Shout out sa ating Mabawis MVP. Nagbabalik. Mr. Charlie Kama. Wow! Wow! Ganun pa rin kumalaw. Grabe ka. 3 minutes exactly. Take it 3. No good. 3 pa Jose. 2 minutes and 50. Siya-shoutout ko rin pala si Justin Macday. Isa ko pang idol. Dol, musta ka na? 3. Santos. 17-14. 3-point lead. Team C. 2 minutes and 30. Steal by number 11. Serin. Lumipad na. 2 points. Andrew Seriliano. 19-14. 5-point lead. 2 minutes and 20. Donja. Wala pa rin pero kay Donja pa rin. 2 points. Donja. 19-16. 2 minutes and 5. Wala pa rin. Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo na Congress Bill kung saan ginagawa ang hagdanan. Iyon, no? Foul. May foul counted na po tayo sa change court. Sa lahat ng laro natin ang change court. May foul counted na po. Ang pasa, 2 points. 19-18. TJ. Assist by Donja. 1 point lead, Team C. Wala pa daw. Labas po. Misa lang po, please, para malinaw. Kumayag. Bola po ng Team C. 19-18, 1 minute and 18 seconds. Seriliano. Andrew taking 3. Donkey, 3 pa 5. Jose, binabatayan ni Sir JD. Tapos Serin, wala pa rin yung bombay. Jose pa rin, block by Sir JD. 59 seconds. Donja. Steal by Serin. Drop pass. Out of bounds. Pakuha po na bola. Score 19-18. 1 point lead. Team D. Team C pala. Team C. 19-18. Isa. Sila Seriliano. Isa. 44 seconds. Good ball. Good ball po yan. Foul by jersey number 13. Jose. 14 seconds shot clock. TJ sizing. 2 more. Stage 3 more. 20-19. TJ. 30 seconds. Andrew. Counted? Counted na yun. Counted. May counted na tayo. May counted. Labas, labas. Counted, counted. All counted. Pag change court, counted na yun. Isa. 21-20. 1.8 Team C. 20 seconds.
Foul. Foul. Penalty.
15 seconds. Shot clock off na po. Shot clock off. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Shot clock off na po. Shot clock off. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 3. 2 points. Serena